Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some chicken and strawberry cheesecake waffles. So for all my cheesecake lovers and chicken and waffle lovers, keep on watching. So first we're going to get our chicken washed and pat dried. I'm using some boneless chicken thighs. I added some salt and went in with some onion powder and some garlic powder. So I went in with some paprika as well as some black pepper, and we're going to mix all those seasonings together until our chicken is fully coated. Once we're finished seasoning our chicken, we're going to set that to the side and work on our egg wash. So I added some buttermilk to the dish as well as some eggs, and I will leave the ingredients down below. I added my red pepper, salt, and pepper for seasoning, and we're going to whisk that all together. Our egg wash is completed and it's time to work on our flour. Our flour mixture needs to be seasoned, so I added some flour to our dish and I added some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. To our mixture, I also added some black pepper, paprika, and some salt. We want to make sure all this seasoning that we just added is blended with our flour. So you're just going to go in with a spoon and try to blend all that together. So time to prepare our chickens to be fried. I took one of my chicken thighs, I dipped it in my egg wash and make sure that it's fully coated in our egg wash, and then we're going to toss it in some flour. Make sure our flour gets all over our chicken. You're going to see me patting my flour on my chicken because you want it to be fully coated. Once you're finished tossing your chicken into the flour, you want to shake all that excess flour off and place it on your sheet. So you want to fry your chicken at a 360 degrees oil temperature for 10 to 12 minutes. And look at my chicken in the oil, and this is when it was finished frying. Look how crispy that chicken is, golden brown and juicy. Look at my chicken thigh. While I'm frying the remainder of my chicken, I started on my waffle mixture. In a bowl, I added my flour, and just let me tell you, this waffle mixture is the best. I added my baking soda, sugar, and baking powder to my flour mixture. I added 2 eggs as well as my buttermilk and then my butter, because you know you can't forget that buttermilk and butter, because it won't be a buttermilk waffle without the buttermilk. So we're gonna add our cinnamon, vanilla, and mix that all together until it's smooth. So this is my completed waffle mix, and look how smooth that is. It's smooth and not too thick. We are going to go in with the world's smallest waffle maker. The world's smallest waffle maker, but guess what? It does what it needs to do. But this is my little waffle maker, and look how beautiful my waffle is. Golden brown, crispy. It did what it's supposed to do. My waffle maker makes beautiful waffles. So go get you one. Now we're going to start on our filling. We need fresh strawberries. You can use strawberry syrup, frozen strawberries. It's a personal preference. I prefer anything that I'm using strawberry in to be fresh. I love me some fresh strawberries. So we are going to chop those roughly to add to our filling mixture. For our filling, to a bowl, add strawberries, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and some vanilla. So you're going to mix your filling mixture well until it is smooth. I also added some whole milk while I was mixing. So this is how my strawberry cream cheese filling turned out. You can use a mixer to accomplish this, but I used my hands, and this is how smooth I got it to be. So time to fill our waffles. I added one waffle as my base, then I added some filling and another waffle on top. I then repeated those steps for a 3-tier look. This is how my chicken and strawberry cheesecake waffles turned out. And just look at that. I garnished it with some fresh strawberries. As I said, I love strawberries. Look how beautiful that is. And just watch me cut into it. It's oozing out. The waffles is crunchy. This is hands down the best chicken and waffle recipe. This was so good, guys. When I tell you, you have to try this recipe, well, you guys don't have to, but you need to try this recipe. This will give you a whole nother look on chicken and waffles. Just trust me on that. Just trust me on that. If you guys liked this video, if you guys want to try this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.